Hello my beautiful glam queens, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. The votes are in. Thank you all who participated. Every Saturday I will be posting 2 products in my TikTok feed and here on YouTube, and you guys will have a chance to vote which product is your favorite. Also, keep on watching to find out how you could get featured in next week's video. Our face is bare today. Of course, little bit of some gloss on. First product up is La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer UV Broad Spectrum SPF 30. This one is 1.35 ounces, does cost around $10.99. And then there is the 3.38 ounces, which costs around $23.99. Can be purchased at larocheposay.us, Ulta/Target, and it is found in CVS. Wow. Who would have guessed? Should last you around 12 months. It is free of oil. Also, it is fragrance free. And they mention all 3 of these. Non-comedogenic, allergy tested, and dermatologist tested. 10 years of research, they say. And 13 clinical studies. Wow. It is also paraben free. This double face moisturizer helps repair the skin's natural protective barrier. How long will that take? Just 1 hour. And it should be hydrated for 48 hours. It is a lightweight cream texture that absorbs easily into the skin, and it should give it fast comfort. It is made for all skin types, and even for sensitive skin. It should help restore your healthy looking skin. Now the fragrance says no fragrance. Yeah, nothing. Nada. Zilch. It does say here on the bottle it has ceramide 3. That is what helps retain moisture and maintain a healthy skin barrier. It has glycerin, which is derived from vegetable sources, an excellent humectant. Excellent! It helps hydrate the skin, but how? By absorbing the water from surrounding environment. Nice. And of course, also says niacinamide. It is a form of vitamin B3, a water-soluble vitamin that is used for its soothing properties. Also helps the skin moisture barrier and visibly fades skin discoloration. Now let's talk about the real ingredient in here, the one they want you to know. La Roche-Posay Prebiotic Thermal Water. A soothing water that is sourced in a town, La Roche-Posay, in France. It is the core ingredient in most of their products. A unique combination of minerals, trace elements, and a high concentration of selenium, which is a natural antioxidant. Okay, so I'm going to do this side of the face. Yes. Directions. Now it is for sunscreen use. Summertime's coming. We want to apply generously on the face 15 minutes before you step out into the sun. Do this after you cleanse, and if you tone, after your skincare routine, use it as a moisturizer / sunscreen. And yes, you do want to reapply it every 2 hours. You could wear it also just morning and evening if you're not going to step into the sun too much. And they say apply it in circular motions. Ooh la la. Of course, don't forget your neck. And there we go. Simple as that. Okay, we're going to move on to the next product. Next, we have Naturium. Ooh, Dew Glow Moisturizer. SPF 50. Again, travel size. I like to save money. Travel size is the way to go.
Do you think I'm made of money?
This is 0.7 ounces and costs $13. Next size is 1.7 ounces. That costs $22. Now the jumbo size is 3.4 ounces, and that costs you around $40 up to $44. Can be purchased at Naturium.com and of course Ulta/Target. Yes, I've been shopping at Ulta. Now there is a very specific expiration date on it. It says 09 2026. You could barely see it here. It is there though, but it's more clear on the box. So save the box if you like. That's where the expiration date will be a little bit more clear. It is cruelty-free, paraben-free, gluten-free, and vegan. Dermatologist tested as well. And fragrance-free. This daily moisturizing sunscreen is formulated with organic and chemical sunscreen filters that apply invisibly on all skin tones to provide you with broad spectrum SPF 50 PA++++ protection. It will still leave you a dewy finish. And I also just want to show you this cap. Look how big this cap is. What? Yeah. So, reason why, well, not really a reason, but sort of. It doesn't really go that deep. But it does have a 1/4 teaspoon dip cup. It's a dip cup. And also, the travel size doesn't have a pump. So you gotta be careful. It just pours. It's got this weird thing here too. It goes in a hole. That's pretty much it. Doesn't really do anything. Yeah. But the other sizes, I believe, are pumps, so you could pump it into this. This you have to squeeze. Ooh. Hello everybody, it's me. So, funny story, I was filming my product up close, and then this, I did this, twisted it, then I kept twisting, and then I was like, what is going on? It keeps moving. It's the freaking pump. It's the freaking pump, everybody. Oh my gosh. So, it does have a pump. The travel size does have a pump. It just really, gets stuck. It just really gets stuck up in there. So, which is good. There it is. So, what the cap does, the dip cap, it's supposed to be the exact amount of how much sunscreen you should use on your face. And you pour it in there. Should make things easier. It is for all skin types, and of course, all their formulas are developed to be pH appropriate to ensure optimal potency and support skin health. So the formula pH level on this is 6.0 to 6.8. It has ethyl ascorbic acid, which helps visibly improve the look of complexion, and calcium sodium borosilicate. It has some other key ingredients they want you to know in this. It has homosalate, 10.0%, octisalate, 5.0%, and avobenzone, 3.0%. And of course the niacinamide. Okay. So, as mentioned, we're going to use the cap. Dip cap. I'm not going to pour it all the way to the top. You are supposed to fill it up, but since I'm only doing half of my face, I'm only going to use half. There it is, in the cap. Again, as your last step in the skincare routine, apply it on face and neck 15 minutes before sun exposure. Yeah. I think I did the right amount. Oh, pretty good. And for sure, you probably do have to reapply it if you're out in the sun, direct sun, probably every 2 hours as well. There you go. Feels good. Probably have to clean the top now, just so it won't get all nasty in there. Yeah. Now this one was definitely had a more of a thicker feel than this one. This is a lightweight cream, just to let you guys know. Thicker texture. Okay, now we're going to talk about the results. We didn't get any results from TikTok. Sadly, nobody voted. It got a lot more views than my last voting poll last week's. It got like 75 more views, but no votes this time. It's okay. But we're going to talk about YouTube. You guys voted on YouTube. We're going to talk about those results. Let's get into it. Yeah. Here we go. YouTube. And, oh, nice. And the winner for YouTube. You guys voted for this one. And my hair. Oh no, the gloss, the hair. Okay. And the winner is... Boom! Naturium, 75%. La Roche-Posay, 25%. Wah, wah. But congratulations to Naturium, 75%. Woohoo! Yeah, you guys voted for that one. Pretty good. Lots of votes. Thank you, everyone. All right. Congratulations to the winner. I actually didn't think they would win because I don't hear about this brand as much. I always hear about La Roche-Posay. Everyone's always talking about them. This one was like a hidden gem for me. I don't hear about it that much. And you know what? I like it. It's good. Yeah, and you guys like it. You guys voted for it. Now, if you didn't like it and you wanted them to win, let me know in the comments below. Tell me why you prefer La Roche-Posay. Or if you are happy that they won and you guys want to talk about other products that they have, go ahead, share their products below. Tell me why you love Naturium. Yes. And I will feature you guys in next week's video. Woohoo! Alright, that's all. Thank you guys voting. Now all we need is for you guys to subscribe, like, comment, share, all that stuff. And yes, I will see you guys next week. Keep on loving the makeup. Keep on rocking. And yeah, bye. Check out my last week's video as well. Blake Lively brand. Yeah, I talk about that.